So, quick question. What is the accounting software and what does it do? The accounting software helps businesses maintain financial data and display it in important reports, which can help you analyze the numbers of your business and report the data to important people. Not knowing your numbers is like jumping on a plane without a pilot. You probably crash and burn. We find that businesses that don't use an accounting software tend to not know how their business is going at all. Most accounting softwares assist you with invoicing, bills, payments, payroll, and taxes. They also help you generate financial reports. A lot of startups ask me the question, do I need to use the accounting software, Davie? Because I don't really want to pay for one and my business is too simple or too small. I answer this question with more questions back to them. Look mate, do you want a loan? Or do you want to employ employees? Or do you want to grow your business? It is important for all businesses to utilize their accounting software so they can understand their numbers and know the following: profit, assets, liabilities, taxes, and cash flow. Businesses require this information so they are able to make the right decisions in their business. And also, they need to provide this information to third-party organizations such as ATO, banks, insurance companies, and investors. The banks and insurance companies also require you to have financial reports sent to them on an ongoing basis, sometimes quarterly, sometimes every 6 months, sometimes annually. The ATO requires you to lodge pay runs via accounting software, aka single touch payroll. If you don't have an accounting software, you'll have trouble getting a loan for you and your business. You'll also have problems reporting and paying your employees' wages, taxes, and super correctly. Then you can get into a whole lot of shit. The biggest problem is you make slow decisions for your business. This happens so often for businesses that don't have their accounting software up to date. They just don't know how to make a decision because they can't decide because they don't know their numbers. Here are a few examples of great accounting softwares for your business. First one, Xero, which is our preferred software for small businesses. It's one of the best softwares for small business owners out there. And the pros of this software is it's easy to use, cloud-based, so you can use it anywhere in the world, has loads of integrations, loads of businesses also use this software, so you're not alone. The cons of this software, however, it can be quite expensive compared to the other softwares out there. It's also got an ongoing monthly fee, so it can be quite costly, and no phone call support, so you have to do everything via email. MYB is also quite a similar software. It's got a desktop version and it does have phone support. Rounded is a great software for sole traders. It's cheap, easy to use, but it's only good for sole traders, freelancers, and contractors because it doesn't do double book entry. Once you have chosen the software for you to use for your business, do not stop there. You need to learn how to set up the software correctly and use it consistently. There are so many business owners who choose the accounting software and just don't know how to use it. Guys, if you don't know how to use it, ask an expert to train you. Pay the money for the service. It will save you so much money in the future. It's going to take twice as long if you don't set it up correctly and make hundreds of mistakes on it, because your accountant's not going to be pretty happy with that. Don't be a tight ass. So if you have any questions, drop us a comment below and let us help you.